The moon in tarot is all about the subconscious, past karmas, and emotional journeys. In the spiritual process, this card speaks of the necessity to explore the deepest layers of our psyche and deal with emotional baggage in order to be able to complete our divine evolution. It's a very yin card. It refers to receptivity, emotions, illusions, and imagination. Upright, the moon card is about sensitivity, intuition, sometimes clairvoyance, and dreams. It can mean that you should pay attention to your dreams and be receptive to the signs of the universe, as they hold important messages and might even be premonitions. On a material level, it can announce movement and changes: new job, new relationship, new home, new location. As per numerology, the moon card marks the ending of a cycle that leads to rebalancing your life for the better. Depending on the context, it can also predict money coming in, pregnancy, or a trip, especially to go near water. It's a great omen for therapy, counseling, or any type of emotional healing that purges the subconscious. This card invites to overcoming past traumas or troubles by bringing one's fears and insecurities to light. It can announce the uncovering of lies or revelation of hidden truth. In love, it can predict a deep and uncanny attraction for someone you may meet in strange or unusual circumstances, which can even feel like a dream or like you've met in a past life. For couples, it's a good sign of a high spiritual union and an emotionally nurturing and safe partnership. The moon upright is especially good for creative work. It may mean that if you dig into the deepest layers of your psyche, you could create powerful art that shakes up people through catharsis. In health, the moon upright is good for fertility and emotional balance, and can invite to relaxing, resting, doing thermal therapy, or energy healing. In astrology, the moon is currently associated with Pisces. Its timing is around late February to mid-March. However, the original Tarot de Marseille associates it with Cancer for obvious rulership reasons. Reversed, the Moon Tarot card indicates confusion, emotional instability, or possibly extreme sensitivity that leads to susceptibility and touchiness. You may be too emotional or dealing with someone like that, and it's taking a toll at you. It could also warn against toxic attachments to the past and a fear of change that gets you stuck in life and blocks your evolution. The message is to become aware of your deepest fears and insecurities and release them. Depending on the context, it can mean lies and deceit. Be careful who you trust and what you tell them. You could even be lying to yourself, having delusions about yourself, other people, or a specific situation. In business and money matters especially, this card reversed warns against theft, scams, fraud, and embezzlement. Sometimes, the moon card reversed warns against being overprotective with someone or with yourself. You may be too guarded and closed off due to past negative experiences. Whatever it is, it makes you very sad. So you probably need to express and heal past traumas before you can move on. And you should do so through creative work, therapy, or confiding in a trustworthy, helpful person. For coupled people, the moon reversed can warn against possible infidelity, scandalous lies, dissatisfaction of one or both partners, who's realizing that this person is not who they thought. For singles, careful who you meet. You may be deceived, lied to, catfished, or even swindled. Check for secret motives in the people that come into your life. In health, the moon reversed shows emotional imbalance, psychic blocks, phobias, sometimes hereditary diseases, or silent illness. And if this applies, fertility issues or problems with pregnancy.